Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to everyone. Class 8. Hope so you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to solve the activity of comprehension. You know that we have accomplished your unit number 12, that's about disaster management. You come to know about disaster, what kinds of disasters are, what are the main disaster, what are the national disaster. So there are a few phases of disaster management as well, like preparedness, response, recovery, right? These all are mitigation. These all are the phases of disaster management. In this chapter you come to know how to save yourself from disaster. If there is any kind of disaster, what you have to do, what is your task, what is your responsibility. So these all things we have studied about this chapter. Now we are going to solve the activity that's on the page number 119, that is comprehension activity. First question is define a disaster. Its answer is on the page number 116, first paragraph, first line. Disaster is defined as a catastrophic event that brings about great damage, destruction, and devastation to life and property. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is what is disaster management? That's on the page number 116. Last paragraph, first line. Disaster management is a process of coordinating and utilizing the available resources to deal with emergencies effectively in order to save lives, avoid injuries, and minimize losses. Is it clear? Question number 3 is name the phases of disaster management. You can only write the names of phases of disaster management. Mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery. Okay, only write the names. Briefly tell about the phase of disaster management. Each phase of disaster management, how you are supposed to write, like you will write mitigation. जहाँ से जहाँ तक मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, only write few lines of each phase. Like page number 117, their first phase is mitigation. You will write mitigation. The very first phase of disaster management is sustained action that reduces both short-term and long-term risks to people and property from hazards and their effects. ठीक है, you will write only this. Okay, second you will write, then you will write heading, you will give preparedness, then you will write preparedness. And the second phase of disaster management is set of steps that enhances the ability of communities and government to respond to a disaster. Okay, then okay, you may write the steps as well. The steps included in this phase are the maintenance of available resources, storage, logistic planning, communication planning, and needs assessment, right? Okay, in first question you are also right about the action as अच्छा mitigation में आप add कर लें. The first जो आप लिखेंगे mitigation, heading देंगे mitigation, and then you will write mitigation is the first phase of disaster management, is a sustained action that reduces both short-term and long-term risks to people and property from hazards and their effect. It involves activities like scientific hazard analysis, vulnerability analysis, risk assessment, avoiding construction in high-risk zones, launching awareness campaigns, training and capacity building of responder and managers, etc. ठीक है, फर्स्ट में आप इतना लिखेंगे. सेकंड में preparedness की heading दें and you will write preparedness. The second phase of disaster management is set of steps that enhances the ability of communities and government to respond to a disaster. These steps included in the phase are the maintenance of available resources, storage, logistic planning, communication planning, and needs assessment. Third one is response, includes the action of responding to an emergency. फिर उसके बाद आप next paragraphs लिखेंगे, जो 2 lines के बाद third line है वो लिखेंगे. The step involved in response phase are situation analysis, crisis maps, information communication, shelters, dispatching of resources, and early damage assessment. Then you will write fourth one, recovery is a process of returning to normal. Recovery phase may be short. Okay, recovery is the process of returning to normal. You will write then recovery फेज इज कंसिस्टिंग, अच्छा यहाँ पे जस्ट फर्स्ट लाइन लिखेंगे, रिकवरी इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिटर्निंग टू नॉर्मल, then you will write recovery phase is consisting of construction, rehabilitation, infrastructure building, housing, livelihood, social security, transport, cleaning and clean drinking water, communication and agriculture। ठीक है, ये दरमियान की जो बाकी एक लाइन है वो आप कट ऑफ कर दें। ये जो फर्स्ट में रिकवरी इज़ अ प्रोसेस ऑफ रिटर्निंग टू नॉर्मल, ठीक है, यहाँ से लिख के फिर नेक्स्ट पेज से आप लिखेंगे रिकवरी फेज इज़ कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ all that till agriculture। Is it clear? Okay, name some of the natural and man-made disaster, that's on the page number 116। and from last it is 1 2 3 4 5th line, ठीक है। cyclone, tsunami, floods, droughts, earthquake and volcanoes are the few example of natural disaster, and war the nuclear accidents fall in the category of man-made disaster। This is the answer of question number 5। so up till now you have accomplished 5 question, and I gave you the answers। then there is critical thinking, divide the students into groups and ask them to prepare a plan to save their area from natural disaster like floods, earthquake, landslides and droughts। yes, this is your presentation topic, how you can save your area from natural disaster। ठीक है, you can give your opinion, you can send me your presentation on you can send me on yes, send me in next week Wednesday। is it clear? prepare your presentation and send me on Wednesday। ठीक है, Wednesday को आप मुझे अपनी presentation send करें। ईच ऑफ स्टूडेंट विल बी सेंडिंग मी प्रेजेंटेशन। ठीक है, ये नहीं कि 2-3 बच्चियाँ सेंड करें, तमाम बच्चों का ये प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे रिसीव होनी चाहिए। ठीक है, तमाम बच्चियाँ अपने ओपिनियन मेरे साथ शेयर करें, हाउ यू कैन सेव योर एरिया फ्रॉम अर्थक्वेक, फ्लड्स, landslides, droughts, these kind of disaster, how you can yourself, how can you save your community, how you can save your area, what are the what initiative you can take from for your area। ठीक है, tell me your opinion। is it clear? so rest of the exercises will be discussing in the next class। okay, I'll see you in the next class, take care, Allah Hafiz।